Welcome to everyone. Short questions on linguistics. This is very helpful for studying BS English and MA in English as well. Phonemes. Phonemes include all significant differences of sound, including features of voicing, place and manner of articulation, accent, and secondary features of nasalization, glottalization, labialization, and the like. What is auditory phonetics? Phonetics studies speech sounds according to their production in the vocal organs. Articulatory phonetics, their physical properties. Acoustic phonetics, or their effect on the ear. Auditory phonetics. Actually, the same answer is given to question number 14, 15, and 16. Here, auditory means related to ears. Articulatory phonetics means how we produce words, how we produce speech sound. The base of vowels and consonants are on articulatory phonetics. Acoustic phonetic means physical properties of a sound. This study is carried on in the language labs. What is the International Phonetic Alphabet, commonly called IPA? Systems of phonetic writing are aimed at the accurate transcription of any sequence of speech sounds. The best known is the International Phonetic Alphabet, the phonetic alphabet that's used by BBC World, and the accent that's mostly followed in London, standardized English in UK, and the British English lovers throughout the world. They use IPA 44 symbols based on phonetic alphabets. Stylistics is the study of style and the methods used in written and spoken languages. What is graphology? Graphology is the study of handwriting. Graphology usually focuses on determining a person's mood or personality based on the way they write. Here, an analysis is made by the expression of the handwriting of a person. What's his temperament? What's his mood? What's his personality overall? The last question of this video: what influence has Noam Chomsky had on psycholinguistics? The father of modern linguistics. He belongs to America. He has done tremendous work in the field of linguistics, and especially in transformational generative grammar and universal linguistics, etc. The work of Noam Chomsky and other proponents of transformational grammar have had a marked influence on the field. The next questions with answers will be shared in the next videos. So stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.